I'm with Mr. Byron from the OTS, who have agreed to perform an interview with us. Mr. Byron, thank you for being with us.
Thank you for your invitation.
Thank you. So first of all, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, first I am Byron Maza. Since 2014 I have been enrolled as a PhD student on wireless communication system at the Electrical Engineering Department of the ETS.
All right, and of course you are a persuader.
Yes, since May of last year I have been enrolled as a PhD student of Persuade training program.
Yeah, persuade, like in Spanish.
Sorry for my Spanish.
No, it's good. It's still so sweet. So what are the advantages of the program, or the persuade program?
So, you know, as a researcher or students of science,
Yep.
you have to develop a lot of equations or theory to try to solve some problem. And the results you have to publish in some journal or conference. But what happened with the real life outside of labs or equations? I think Persuade program gives the opportunity to know and learn the real industrial process or procedures to solve the problems.
Yeah.
Or to know the process to create a new technology. For me, that's the big advantage.
Yeah, it's like witnessing the solution in real life.
Exactly.
Or solving the problems of the industry in
Yes,
general.
even it's a complement to the theory.
Yeah.
It's theory and practice. Practice is the industrial internship.
Yeah. And do you have an internship now within the Persuade program?
Yes. Before to apply to the Persuade training program, you have to get some contacts to starting some industry. So I was accepted to be my internship on ultra electronics tactical communication systems here in Montreal.
You will start in summer?
Yes, I hope I will start on June or July of this year.
All right, that's great. So congratulations on that.
Thank you very much.
Now what can be added to the program in order to improve?
We could say a lot of things, but I got one idea. For example, Persuade program could develop or create some events to join together the industry, the universities, and students directly.
Yep.
Because students could ask directly to the industrial manager how they can be enrolled or develop something.
Yeah, it's like networking between the industry and the academia. All right, so from 1 to 10, on a scale from 1 to 10, where 1 means you're very dissatisfied and 10 means you're very satisfied, how satisfied are you with your experience, even though you'll start the internship in summer?
My expectation is very high, so the score is absolutely 10.
Thank you very much.
So
that was Mr. Byron with us. Thank you for being with us. That was a pleasure.
Thank you again.
Bye-bye. So hello Sara, thank you for being with us and thank you for agreeing to perform the interviews.
Hi, it's my pleasure. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. So my first question is to introduce yourself. Can you present yourself to the audience?
Yes, my name is Sara Lakani. I'm a PhD student in telecommunication area. My research topic is focused on wireless communication and resource allocation and scheduling.
And you are a Persuade student.
Yes, yeah, I am.
That's why we are here.
Yeah, sure.
When did you become a Persuade enrolled student?
It's started since May of 2015.
How did you heard about the program?
One of my colleagues has been attended, and he suggested me that if you want to find a very good internship opportunity, you can apply from this program.
Yeah. And since it's been a year, you can tell of the advantages of this program.
Yeah, the advantages was several courses that help a student to improve their research, and as well as one conference, and it was a very good opportunity for students.
The ICUWB?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
So because the Persuade students were enrolled as volunteers in the ICUWB conference, so we have assisted to the workshops and seminars.
Yeah, we attended in every event, and it was a very good opportunity as well for having a talk with the industrial partners and see what is their needs and present your work. It was very good.
Yeah, it was really nice. And so what can be added? What should be added in your point of view as a student enrolled in Persuade to improve the program?
Something like this conference was very perfect. We can increase the number of those conferences. And the other suggestion is having some workshop sessions or poster sessions to give the students the opportunity to face the industrial partners and present their works, and to see if the industry partner is interested in that work to hire them like an intern in their company. Or it can be vice versa. The industrial partner give the presentation, give the session, and they say, this is our need, this is our problem, and if any of the students see that it's interested for me, I can help them. So finally they can have an interview right away, and this is better because right now it's a bit passive because they advise a student to go and apply online. So it will give students a bit higher chance of getting the internship.
So it will be nice to have some seminars with the industrial. They can put the students in the right direction, and the students will learn from the problems of the industry.
Exactly.
Yes. So my last question is to rate the program on a scale from 1 to 10. 1 means you're very dissatisfied, and 10 means you're very satisfied.
I'm fairly satisfied. I will give 8 out of 10.
8? That's great, Sara. Thank you very much. You're so sweet. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So that was our visit to the ETS, École de Technologie Supérieure. And our next stop is, I guess, Concordia University. Am I right? Yes, let's go.